Hi everybody, this is Jody Becker and I'd like to welcome you to my third peer tutorial. Today we are going to create a times table using Apache OpenOffice 4 spreadsheets or Calc 4. To get started, I'm going to click on Spreadsheets. This will open up a brand new document. I'm going to go to View, Zoom, and choose 100% so I can see this a little better. Next, I'm going to enter in some values so that we can get started on this. And then I'm going to click on the black box in the bottom of this first cell and drag this pattern down to 12. I'll do the same across the top row. Now I would like to continue this pattern in the first two columns, so I'm going to enter in a 4 because 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to select our first 4 cells and drag this down using autofill. There we go. So our first 2 columns are full. Now I'm going to select both of those columns and use autofill to fill in the rest of the times table. There we have it. We have all of our values entered in. Now I would like to select the cells that I'm working with. I'm going to add a little bit of color and format them so it's a little bit easier to read. I'm going to change the font size 25 and hit enter. And I'm going to center these. And while I have these selected, I'm going to go to background fill everything in with a nice blue. I'd like to select the top row and fill that in with a different color. I'll choose yellow. I'd also like to select the first column and change that to yellow as well. The next thing I'd like to do is make our squares stand out a little better. So I'm going to control click on each of these cells individually. Work my way down the page here. I'd like to bold these cells, and I'd like to change the background color. We'll go with green. In order to get everything to fit onto one sheet of paper, I'm going to select everything. And we are going to adjust the column width, 0.66 inches. And I'm going to click on OK, and then right click and adjust our row height to 0.87 inches. Okay. Now we are ready to print our document. I'm going to go to File, down to Page Preview. We have our header turned off, we have our footer turned off, and you can adjust your margin by using the scaling factor. I can get all of this to fit on one page. We're all set. We have an operational times table that is pleasing to the eye. I hope you enjoyed my third peer tutorial, and we will see you next time.